Hello everybody. So today I'm showing you this super awesome multiplication strategy that I really like. We are working on multiplying a 1-digit number by a 2-digit number, and we're going to do that using our friend, the place value chart. So whenever we see a place value chart like this, we want to write in our place values. So we put our ones here. Next would be our tens. And next would be our hundreds. After hundreds, we'd of course have our thousands. Okay. Now that we've filled in our place value chart, I'm going to show you how to do this strategy. So we are working on multiplying our 1-digit by our 2-digit numbers. But we're going to take our bigger number, the 2-digit number, and we're going to put it into our place value chart. 74 would break down into 7 tens and 4 ones. We can draw this in our chart like this: 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's our 7 tens and 4 ones. This equals 74. Now, when we multiply 74 by 2, we know that we can say that as two groups of 74. So if we have 74 ones, we're going to need another group of 7s and 4s. So I'm going to draw my second group of 7 and 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've just multiplied our 74 by 2 because we have two groups of 74. Now we know that when we have 10, a group of 10 in a place value, we can bump it over to the next place value and cash it in for 100s. So let's see how many 10s we have here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and we have 4 remaining. So we're going to take these 10 tens and cash it in for 100. Now let's check and see how many ones we have. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we did not make a group of 10, so we do not have to cash in our ones. They can stay ones. Now, what is our number? We have 100, 4 tens, and 8 ones. So our answer for 2 times 74 equals 148. Okay, so this is really cool. I'm really excited about this strategy. I'm going to do it 2 more times so that you get used to seeing it. And you might be thinking, Ms. Miller, why can't I just do this? 74 times 2. Well, you're right, you could do this. But what we are seeing here is we are trying to get a really deep understanding of what multiplication is. Because I'll tell you a story. When I was learning multiplication for the first time, I knew that I had to multiply my ones by my ones and get 8. And then I didn't know why, but I knew that when I went to multiply my, Sorry, here I am. I knew that when I didn't know why I had to multiply my 2 by my 7, and I thought I was just multiplying my 2 by my 7, but that's not the case. I'm actually multiplying 2 by 7 tenths, not just 7 ones. So what we are really doing is we are multiplying our 2 by our ones. 2 times 4 is 8. And then we're multiplying 2 times 70. And 2 times 70 is 140. Then we have to add those together to get our answer of 148. Okay, so let me do the strategy again for you, and we're going to use 3 times 62 this time. Get rid of all this work here. Okay, so here we go. We're multiplying our 1 digit by our 2 digit, 3 times 62. First step, we take our 2 digit and we write it out in our place value chart. So in the number 62, I have 6 tens and 2 ones. So I'm going to draw my 2 ones and my 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the first step. I have my 6 tens and my 2 ones. Now I am multiplying 62 by 3. So I need 3 more groups of 6 tens and 2 ones. So let's draw my second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and my third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. All right. Now we know if we have a group of 10, we need to cash it, of 10 tens, we need to cash it in for 100. And if we have a group of 10 ones, we need to cash it in for 110. So let's count how many we have. 3, 6, 9, and then that's a 10. So let's take this group right here of my 10 tens and cash it in for 100, because 10 times 10 equals 100. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is not enough for another 100. It's 3, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to leave it there for now. Let's check my ones. 2, 4, 6. So we don't have 10 ones, we have 6 ones. So we are going to leave it as it is. So my answer for 3 times 62 is going to be 100s, 8 tens, and 6 ones. 186. Now I'm going to do that one more time with this 1 digit by 2 digit number. 4 times 33. All right, so step 1, take our 2 digit number and write it into our place value chart. The number 33 has 3 tens and 3 ones. So we're going to put 3 tens and 3 ones. Now I'm multiplying that number by 4. So I want to give myself 3 more groups of 3 tens and 3 ones to make 4 groups. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's count how many we have. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is more than 10. So we need to cash in a group of 10 tens to make 100. So 3, 6, 9, and then 1 is going to make 10. So this is my group of 10. We're going to cash that in for 100. Now let's count our ones. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we need to cash in 10 ones to make 1 10. So we're going to cash in our 10 ones for 1 10. So now, our total is 130, because we had to cash in the ones, 2. So 4 times 33 equals 132. All right, that's what you're doing today. That's what I want to see on your Nearpod slides. I want to see you draw out your numbers. Remember to start with the double digit and then add however many groups you are multiplying by. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing what you do. Bye!